lot of things, plastics, fishing gear, containers from vessels, also uncommon items as fire extinguishers, wellies as well, then
We're here today in Fraserburgh because we've been out on a team day out with our families, volunteering to do a litter pick on the local beach. And we, together with all our families, have picked up things like
nets, a lot of plastic that can be here for a long time.
I think people in the local community are now very well aware that Ocean Winds is involved here in a big way and will be for 30 years. So we look forward to helping the community in other ways in the next 30 years.